Hey everyone, it's from Natural Home Remedy. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and performance during workouts, you've got to try lemongrass essential oil. This potent oil has been used for centuries to invigorate the body and mind. Today we'll dive into the science behind its energizing effects, and I'll show you my favorite ways to use it in your fitness routine for amazing results. The power of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil comes from the tropical lemongrass plant, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus. The oil is steam distilled from the plant's leaves, resulting in a vibrant yellow-green liquid with an intensely fresh, citrusy aroma and subtle earthy undertones. Lemongrass oil is packed with active compounds like citrol, geraniol, and limonene that are responsible for its energizing and mood-boosting properties. When inhaled or applied topically, these compounds interact with the brain and nervous system to 1. Stimulate mental activity and increase alertness. 2. Reduce feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. 3. Uplift your emotional state and instill a positive outlook. 4. Alleviate stress and nervous tension, allowing you to focus better. This makes lemongrass oil the perfect natural pre-workout supplement to get you mentally and physically pumped up for exercise. 3 easy ways to use lemongrass oil in your workout routine. 1. Energizing diffuser blends. Add 3-4 drops of lemongrass oil to your diffuser along with other energizing oils like peppermint or eucalyptus. Let it run for 15-30 minutes before your workout to saturate the air. Inhale deeply and feel the revitalizing scent awaken your senses and dissipate fatigue. For an extra powerful blend, try 3 drops lemongrass plus 2 drops peppermint plus 1 drop rosemary. 2. Invigorating aromatic spritzers. Mix 10-15 drops of lemongrass oil in a 4 ounces spray bottle filled with pure water. Spritz on your gym towels, workout clothes, yoga mat, or even your skin for an instant pick-me-up. The fresh, zesty aroma will keep you feeling cool and energized throughout your sweat session. Bonus tip: store your spritzer in the fridge for an extra cooling, refreshing effect. 3. Soothing muscle relief massage. After a tough workout, mix 6-8 drops of lemongrass oil with 1 tablespoon carrier oil like jojoba or coconut. Thoroughly massage the blend into fatigued muscles, focusing on areas of tension and soreness. Lemongrass oil's analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties will help relieve aches and pains. It also promotes circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to help your muscles recover faster. Important usage and safety tips. 1. Lemongrass oil is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. 1. Start with less and add more as needed. 2. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying directly to skin to avoid irritation or sensitivity. 3. Perform a patch test on a small area of skin first if you're unsure about reactions. 4. Avoid contact with eyes, nose, and other sensitive areas. 4. Wash hands thoroughly after use. 5. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, consult your doctor before using essential oils. Conclusion. So there you have it. Lemongrass essential oil is one of nature's most powerful energizers and performance enhancers. Whether you want an invigorating scent to perk you up before a workout, a refreshing spritzer to keep you going strong, or a soothing muscle relief massage to speed up recovery afterwards, this amazing oil does it all. I encourage you to give these lemongrass oil techniques a try during your next workout and experience the benefits for yourself. You'll be amazed at how this natural remedy can take your fitness to the next level. As always, if you found this info helpful, be sure to like this video, share it with your workout buddies, and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more science-backed essential oil tips to empower your wellness. Stay tuned for our next video on upcoming topic. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.